Welcome to Chemistry with MSA. Today is our first lecture on chemical equilibrium. So take out your copies and pen cause I am going to give you some important points. Chemical equilibrium is a fundamental concept in chemistry that describes the state of a chemical reaction in which the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the reverse reaction. At equilibrium, the concentrations of reactants and products remain constant over time, and the system is said to be in a state of dynamic balance. This means that while the reactants are still being converted into products, the rate at which the products are being formed is equal to the rate at which they are being consumed. Chemical equilibrium can be expressed using the equilibrium constant, Kc, which is the ratio of the concentrations of the products to the concentrations of the reactants, each raised to their respective stoichiometric coefficients. Kc is a constant for a particular reaction at a given temperature and pressure, and it determines the position of the equilibrium. If Kc is large, the products are favored at equilibrium, while if Kc is small, the reactants are favored. The principles of chemical equilibrium are essential for understanding many chemical processes, including acid-base reactions, precipitation reactions, and the behavior of gases. Equilibrium calculations can be used to determine the concentrations of species in a system and to predict how a system will respond to changes in temperature, pressure, or concentration. Understanding chemical equilibrium is also crucial for the design and optimization of industrial processes that rely on chemical reactions, such as the production of ammonia or the manufacture of pharmaceuticals. So once again I repeat that what is chemical equilibrium in a chemical reaction, the point at which the concentrations of the reactants and products remain constant is known as chemical equilibrium. This occurs when the forward and reverse reactions are happening at the same rate. The chemical equilibrium constant, also known as the reaction quotient, is used to determine the composition of a mixture at equilibrium. So our class ends here. Our next topic will be law of mass action, so be prepared. See you in next class. Bye.